Hey YouTube, it's me, nickthecuber here, and I just thought that it would be cool if I did another walkthrough solves video, because it's been a really long time since I've done one, and the last time I did one I was averaging like 22 seconds. Now I'm averaging 16 to 17 seconds, so if you're wanting to get sub 20, maybe I have a couple of things here that might help you. Okay, here's just the first scramble. Alright, so here's the first scramble, and the first thing I see is I have here, 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 and here my cross pieces. So I'd probably hold it like this, and do it in this order, and my first pair is going to be this blue and red. So I'd probably do it like this. I would go, put this red one down, this blue one in, then D prime, L, D. And that did my cross. This corner I saw was already going to be in place whenever I did that, and I tracked this edge, which is right there. So that's a really easy insert, and then probably I'll do this pair next, like that. Okay, and then I saw this edge, and I see these two, so I'll be tracking these two while I'm doing this. Okay, and they're in the back here. So this case is really bad whenever you don't have an open slot. So I'd have to rotate for this and do it like this. This is my intuitive style of doing it. OL I don't know, so to look like that, and then F prime. Whoa. Sorry. Alright, next scramble. Sorry, it takes a little bit of time to load. There we go. Alright, there's the next scramble. Okay, let me do it really quickly. Okay, so there's the next scramble. Okay, so I have cross pieces here, 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 and here. This is a pretty simple cross. So I do green like this, and then put the red in the back, and then put the orange in, so that the blue is easy to put down. Okay, so the first pair I saw is going to be this one, and so I can do it like this, like that, and I tracked this pair whenever I was doing that, so I can do this pair like that. Okay, so I saw this pair in the back, and I would just rotate to do this one just because it's easy, and then this pair in the back, like that. This is a pretty simple OLL, and then A prime. Okay, next scramble. Shoot. What did I just do? There we go. Okay. Okay, here's the next scramble. Sorry. Alrighty. So I see cross pieces here, 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 and here. Again, this is a pretty simple cross. I also see this pair here, and I see this corner and this edge. So I'm going to probably try and preserve this pair. And I already see that this cross piece is in place. So, and this pair can be preserved very easily. So I'm going to hold it with orange in front and do an F, and then insert the green like that, and then do red. Okay, and I see this pair, and this pair. So my F12 is going to be fairly simple. I'll do this first, like this, take the pair out of the back, and insert it right here. If you didn't understand that because it was kind of quick, I inserted this pair, took this pair out, and put it here. At the same time, I saw that this matched up, so I do that like that. And then I see this pair right here, insert in the back. OLL I don't know, but I know that if I do that, I can do soon from that angle. And then I have another A prime. Okay, fourth scramble is going to be this. Okay, let me do it. Okay. Finally, one that's a little bit more tricky. Okay, so I see cross pieces here, 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 and here. I also see this pair already paired up, so I'm going to try and preserve that. Hold on, am I going to be able to do that easily? Yeah, I think I can. And then I also see this pair, so I'll probably be tracking these for my second pair. Okay, so what I'd do here is I would do a D2, L, D, so I have this opposites matched up. Then I would move this pair to preserve it, do it like that, and then like that. Okay, so I tracked these two pieces, so whenever I go to insert this, like this, I can go right into this pair, which is just a sexy move 3 times. Okay, so I'd probably do this orange and blue next, because it's really simple, and it also helps me get a better case for the next two. So this one, I would do it like this, and then sledgehammer it in, so I can get edges. This is an OL case I do know, that I kind of forged for myself from its inverse, and it's just like a trigger and then a sledgehammer, U-perm. Alright, fifth and final example solve. Okay, here's a scramble. Okay. Alright. So I have cross edges here, 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 and here. And for first pair, I'm probably going to do these two, if I can track them with it, because I don't know if this is going to require rotation or not. So I'd probably do opposite cross, so I'd hold it like this, and I'd do a D prime to put this orange one in, there, and then I would do this, that, and that. So this pair paired up in the back really easily, so I'll do that like that. And then I'd probably go into this pair, just because it's really simple, and I saw it first. Okay, and then this orange and blue would be next, so I'd rotate and do it like this. And then this green and orange pair, and I'd sledgehammer it in. And then I have this standard OL fish case, and then an E-perm. My E-perm alg sucks, just saying. Don't use my E-perm alg, because it's terrible. I need to learn a new one. Anyway, I hope this was helpful to you guys, especially if you're wanting to help get new tricks to get sub 20. That's just kind of how my thought process is going through through my solves. So if you guys have any questions, leave them, or even some constructive criticism, please feel free to leave it in the comment section, and I will, respond to it if it's a question, and if it's constructive criticism, I will, I'll take it in, and I'll see, like, okay, I can see how that would work faster, and I'd probably work on it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you all on my next video.